Jamaica has its first case of monkeypox. Just like that. So Ava is on antibiotics, right baby? 7 in the morning and 7 at night. Leila is on antibiotics as well, 7 in the morning, 7 at night. I'm preparing to take Zahra to the doctor because she has a nasty cough on her chest. Yeah, so she's going to the doctor now. And this little one is the only one of the little four, the 4 musketeers, who is healthy and eating down the place and laughing down the place and not coughing or anything. No antibiotics for you even, so you know, keep strong, bro. Hey neighbors, so we're starting this vlog with me and Zahra going to the doctor. Again, it's like for the past 3 to 4 weeks, somebody always sick, whether it's Tina, me, or one of the children. Funny enough, I think Hannah is the only one who has not been sick in the past 3 to 4 weeks. So now this is like the second round. And Zahra, say hi. Hi. She's been having a bad cough on her chest, especially at night time, and so Leila ended up having a chest infection and a throat infection. Ava, she's also sick. So now I'm taking Zahra. I'm hoping that Eden stays healthy and that we won't reach home too late. But it is what it is. How are you doing? How are you? So we can take her along and see what the doctor is saying. Right, Jasmine? Alright, come. Alright, so we finished now. That was actually very quick. Not a lot of people were there. So we're heading out to get to make a quick stop at the pharmacy and then head home. We'll actually make it before night. It's just 5:53, so good timing, good timing. Feeling okay, baby? Alright, how was the doctor? Was okay? Alright. Pharmacy time. Gina's pharmacy, man.
Oh, Gina's at the gas station?
Yeah. We're back. She's okay, alright? She'll be fine. Okay? Alright. Enough now. Alright. Reach back home before night, right, Bruno? Reach back home before night. Alright, let's see what tomorrow holds. Morning, Eden. Morning. You looking outside in the morning? What are you eating? What are you eating? Tea biscuit. Can I get a piece? Alright, just look out in the morning. Here's your tea biscuit.
Give it to me.
You took it. She's just having a relaxing moment. Looking at the ackee tree. Thank you. No. This is for the plug. Alright. I'll continue meditation, alright? See you later. Bye-bye. Thanks to all the neighbors who replied in the comments about my lighted tree experiment. And the main suggestion that I got was that I need to put holes in the bottom of the container. Somebody said that I shouldn't put so many seeds in there, but I don't think that's a problem really. Apart from that, I actually decided, well, Tina decided to, actually research the best ways to grow the seed, so it can come up and actually bloom. And so there are two ways, and what I did was fine to an extent, but it's recommended that the seed is soaked, right? People also said soak the seed in water first, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to now dig up or remove the seeds that I put into the container and let them soak for the rest of the day, some hours. Then I put them back into the soil in a container that has the bottom bored out so that it can release the excess water. The other way is going to be, keep it in this nice area with napkin and hand towel and let it stay inside in a dark room for some days. That's a different thing what I'll show you sometime later. Hey son. Alright. Where are the seeds? This is where them gone. See one here. So 1, 2. Oh, it's one this 3. Alright. I pick up all my seeds. Y'all are gonna be soaked in water for the rest of the day. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. So this one floating and the rest of them sink. I don't understand him. So later again we'll come back and we put them in the new container and we'll leave it. So we're going to try 2 different ways. This way where we plant it in the soil, and the other way where it takes like a week or so inside, and then we use the the roots that have sprung up out of it to get it in some soil. Yeah.
Oh! You get hit too? Knock your knee?
Yes, I took my knee.
Woo! Here you go.
Zahra.
Oh. No, this is not good again, baby.
Ready for your medicine?
Alright, hold on. See your face?
Ava.
Ava.
Daddy's talking to you.
Ava. Good morning. Hey.
Huh?
Morning.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
I see this a little jam.
You want some eating?
You keep taking a bite and giving it back, so I guess she's not that hungry.
No, my phone.
Alright, so Leila, sit down.
So Zahra was prescribed a Ventolin, which is really something to help her breathe. I know a lot about this. Because I used to have asthma when I was younger. And I kind of grew it out, but the doctor was of the impression that it could be affecting Zahra in particular. Took Leila to the doctor last week, and she actually had a chest infection and a throat infection, so she got antibiotics. The doctor didn't say anything for Zahra, even though it sounds the same.
It sounds similar.
It's like the same cough and everything,
cough
but
sounds similar. Very wet.
Yeah, but it was nothing really coming up and so. But so she got Ventolin, different prescription from Leila, and she have to take it every 3 hours or every 4 hours. That's how much? 6 times a day. Yes. 24 divided by 4. 6 times a day.
Yeah. So she gets in her. Good morning, neighbors. So she gets in her first dose now. So here we are with this kit again. She must get 2 puffs, right?
Yeah, 2 puffs. She just puts it over her and count slowly to 10, she said.
Okay, alright. So I'm gonna put this over you. Alright. So shake up our Ventolin. Shake him, shake him, shake him, shake him, shake him, shake him. Alright, so you're gonna hold it. Can you hold it? Alright. And we're gonna count to 10, right? So 1. Take deep breaths. 4, 5. Deep breaths. 8, 9, 10.
Give her one more.
One more? Why?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Take deep breaths.
5, 6.
Taking deep breaths.
7, 8, 9.
Take deep breaths.
10.
In and out.
Alright.
Alright. Very good, darling.
Because I think what you said was it's 2 puffs, but it's 1 puff, and then let her do the 10, then puff again.
Oh.
Instead of 2 single ones. That's what
No.
Oh, Daddy, you didn't explain it.
Yeah, so that was my bad. The doctor said puff, then breathe for 10. Puff, then breathe for 10. But I mean, not gonna do her. She'll be fine either way.
Okay, you're good now, Mama. So. Ava, you eat off the bread that I give you already? You're not getting this because you're going to get your medicine soon.
And you're going to kick and scream again?
So, listen. Giving children antibiotics, especially these little teeny tots, very difficult. I know a lot of you have, recommended the method of, blowing in the child's face. That works for medicines, for regular Panadol and, those kind of runny medicines. It don't work for antibiotics because it's so thick and you have to, kind of, because it's 5 mils, she can't fit all that in her mouth at once. So you have to give her in just a small amount at a time. So I think last night what we did seemed to have worked, where I just put my pinky finger in her cheek so she can't spit it out.
Did she ever bite you?
She didn't bite me. I didn't go between her jaws. I just went inside her cheek. Right. So that kept her mouth open enough for me to get the syringe in, and we're gonna try that this morning and see if it works.
Okay. Ready, Eva?
Ready to take it?
Eva.
She actually took it?
Actually sprayed out some.
It's staying in.
Very good. Clap yourself. Clap her. Clap her. Good job.
More?
A little more. A little more, baby. You swallowed it. We don't want to hold it down. Take it willingly. Yes,
Yeah.
you hold it and I'll help you. Alright?
Put it in mouth.
Ve-
Okay. Ready? Can I original chip this?
Come, baby.
Come, put it in your mouth. Come on, baby.
Don't swing back
Come
your
on,
head.
come on. Yes, just like that. Just
Look,
like
look,
that,
look,
mama.
look. Nice.
What eating? Eating. Eating, sure, yes. Do
Come,
it.
Edie, look at you. Your turn. You try. Nice. Wow. Watch Lady again. Delicious. Your turn. Your turn.
Alright, let's get serious about this.
Yeah, I think that was just resort to the bad man approach.
Alright. Mama, mama, mama. Yes, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Then Eden came and just knocked over the camera because she didn't want us to be filming her sister at this time.
It's better than the most of the time. So it's not saying that this is the guaranteed method, but it has worked better than the other things that we've tried. Want some water now, mama? Water?
You want some? Alright, tap yourself. Do that good job, okay? Same time tonight? Ready again for tonight? Ready for tonight at 7 o'clock? Alright. Water time, water. So I had to run on the road quickly just to get a package for Leila and Zahra for their school for September because we're sending them out by the hook or the crook. They need to be out now. God will guide them and protect them from COVID and whatever other diseases. So I picked up the package and going to make one more stop before I head back home to see to the lychee planting. And just like that I reach home and you hear me talk a while ago about God will protect them from COVID. Just look on the computer and I'm seeing that Jamaica has its first case of MonkeyPox. Just like that. But seriously, MonkeyPox, we think COVID-19 wearing down, MonkeyPox come. And the same day I decided to go collect the packages, the same day the Ministry of Health announced that we'll have the first case. And of course, I'm not going to go around. The first thought that comes to mind is, crap, we're going through this again. But we're reminded in 2 Timothy 1 verse 7, I believe. It says, for God has not given us a spirit of fear. But instead he has given us a spirit of power, of love, and of a sound mind. So if we have not faced a pandemic before in our lives, we now have the COVID-19 experience on our belt. And the fact that you're watching this video means that God has kept you, whether you got it, the virus that is, and survived, or whether he spared you from even experiencing it, or whether you had it and you didn't even know that you had it, but he kept you. So we're not going to face any other pending calamity with fear. We're going to condition our mind to be positive about it because we have God and God have our back. I am going to though let's take a look at the lychee because that's what I was supposed to do. Look at the lychee and plant it. So they're soaking in there, and I'm going to let them stay. Overnight. I still don't understand why this one up top decided to float, but and those two sink. But I'm going to let them stay until tomorrow. And I finish up the planting with the girls. Take them out here and let them help me put them back in the new home with the container having the holes at the bottom. So neighbors, it's been good. I'll see you again soon. And the whole family rate you. I hope you have a great rest of the week. Finish the week strong. We made it to Thursday, thank God. Finish the week strong, man. We're going to see you hopefully God's willing on Sunday. Alright, so until next time, big up from me and the whole of the house. See you soon. Bye.